Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I want to show you the latest model of the DIY box, which is called A1 upgrade model. As you can see, the quality of this model was very good. And which is the difference between the latest one and the old one? The first one is it used the new JK Inventor BMS, which can protect the model more safe. Second is it used the new 4.3-inch display so that you can see the date more clear. Third, it update his UART function and you can see the information of the slave through the master, and you can see the detailed date of the battery by linking any battery. The last but not least, this model used the new fire extinguisher device, which can protect the model more safety. And this model just cost $500. If you need to assemble your DIY box and battery, come to find me, and we will send you the insulating board and the screw you need for free.